Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. Today is the day I'm going to share with you how well our new concoction works. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools can be located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood. All right, now, what I did with this carpet is I filled it up. I got it dirty with dirt, mud, coffee. I brewed some extra strong coffee and dumped it on there. It's been there, it's not good, it's in horrible shape. This is what you do to remove your dirt from your carpet or cloth. Now, the mixture that I have done, if you watch the video to the very end, to where the end screens pop up to show you the next videos, you will see the video on there, our newest concoction for 2023.
This is high speed of how the mixture is put together, so make sure you get the link so you can see exactly how to do it and the exact measurements of each ingredient. Going to be blown away with this stuff. Get it mixed up and quit monkeying around.
I'm going to spray this down, let it set for 5 minutes, and suck it out of there, and it'll look brand new. This stuff is amazing. There's the jug that I mixed up when we were in New Orleans, and there's the spray bottle down there that I'm going to use. Best spray bottles around. So here we go. Let's get this thing sprayed and scrubbed in and let her set, and we'll go from there. Keep your eyes peeled. Take that jug out. I filled the bottle up. Here we go. Make sure you see the video on the mixture so you can do this. All right, she's sprayed down. We'll let it set 5 minutes. You can let it set as long as you want, but 5 minutes for us when we're in a hurry works real well. Now, this is the worst of the worst. Your carpet probably will not get this bad ever. All right, we're going to scrub it in. I mean, you can see it. Look at it bubbling up there in front of that. It's nasty. We've let it set for 5 minutes, and now we're going to suck it out of there and clean. And remember, you have to go to the end of the video to where the end screen videos pop up, the suggestions for the next videos, you know what I'm talking about, and get that. Click on the video, it says New Concoction 2023. And we'll have the link in the description as well, but that's easier to watch it to the end. And also make sure you share your worst fabric carpet horror story with us. So make a comment, go comment right now before we get involved in this, and share your horror story with us. All right, so we're going to use this awesome little vacuum right here. This thing is bad to the bone. It's little, it works great, it's got tons of suction, and we're going to use it. You can use an extractor if you want as well. But we're going to use it as a extractor with a bottle of distilled water, and we'll spray that where we need to spray it as we suck this thing clean.
I'd like to take a minute and thank Andre Borisov and Scott Walters for donating to our channel. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Look how clean it already is. Look at that. When you spray the water in, this water here, it floods the dirt and makes it raise up so you have something to suck out of there. And it's really the best way to do it. So you can actually have somebody spraying the sprayer for you while you're doing it, or just do it yourself. Now, we'll take that tip off and get in the cracks and crevices. We'll get the heavy stuff up first. But your carpet will probably never get this dirty. This is actually a piece of the carpet is missing. And that happens from the floor mat. It's not a stain. And we got an easy fix for that if you ever need to fix that. All right, it looks beautiful. We're getting it. Now, if you have stains like this one that's right here, that's been there a while, that was there beforehand. These stains up here like this is from years of dirt sitting there. So we're going to spray that down again. And we're going to hit it one more time here. Sometimes you have to do it twice.
Or 3 times.
Exactly. As many times as it takes. And the fix, when you get a piece of carpeting that's missing like that right there, you're going to love that video. So keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you subscribe so you can get all these tips and tricks. So what I'm going to do is let this set and come back, finish it, and then show you the end result. You're going to love it. All right, she's done. I didn't really have to hit it again with the cleaner, but I really wanted to make it clean. I popped out the plastic in the center here. That worked out good. And we'll put even more light on it for you. And it was filthy, you've seen it. And you can do it 1, 2, 3 times. If you have stains that have been in there for years, let it set for a couple hours. And you may have to do it a couple of times, but it will bring them out. And in your spray bottle that you spray on before you suck the cleaner out in the dirt, use hot water. Hottest water you can put in it. Not boiling, but you don't want to melt the bottle. All right, here's a little added tip. Take a house fan, put it on there for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours on low. Overnight, wake up in the morning, the carpet will be perfectly dry. That's all you really have to do. And then vacuum it one more time with just your regular vac. No water, none of that. GoPro, stop recording.